Hello, may I visit your factory?
Sure, let's go.
Welcome to Xuanhua factory.
We have technicians and workers with more than 6 years of work experience, ensuring our machine's stability. At the same time, our production process is visible. For our orders, we provide all-round high-definition videos and photos before packaging and delivery. Also, we have professional sales team, market promotion team, and logistic team, providing consistent service before and after sales. Quality first, customer first is our principle, and your reliable partner in China is our mission.
This is our river bender.
Front is our river cutter. Okay,
This is our assembly area. This is our shipping area. This is our exteriors area. All exteriors are waiting to be assembled. Today, look at here. This packaging machine are ready to go to abroad, including river bender, river cutter. This is Xuanhua Machinery, your reliable partner in China.